Asphalt distributors are machines designed to spray liquid asphalt. Distributors are essential elements in most road building processes. Distributors are used to tack coat or spray a thin layer of asphalt to form a bonding surface in advance of hot mix overlays, and they are used as part of a road maintenance process called chip sealing. In the chip seal process, the distributor covers the road surface with liquid asphalt, and then rock chips are spread evenly over the asphalt by the chip spreader to form a cost-effective new wear surface on the road. The asphalt distributor consists of an insulated tank, of which the size can vary from as little as 1,000 gallons to as large as 4,500 gallons, combined with an asphalt pumping system, a heating system, and a spraying system at the rear of the vehicle. In order to keep asphalt in a liquid state, it must be kept at an elevated temperature. Therefore, distributors are equipped with a system of burners and flues to heat the asphalt to the correct temperature and keep it there. Since the asphalt products are considered to be hazardous materials, the distributor tank, manhole, and valving must be designed and constructed to DOT requirements. The Centennial distributor uses a variable displacement hydrostatic pump driven off of the front of the truck's engine crankshaft to drive a 2-speed hydraulic motor, which in turn drives the asphalt pump. The output of the pump is varied to obtain the correct amount of asphalt required by the width of the spray bar in use and the truck's forward speed. The Centennial distributor utilizes a computer to control the pump's output. This allows the operator to vary the width of the spray without having to manually adjust the output as the computer senses the change in width. This feature keeps the amount of asphalt per square yard sprayed on the ground constant, regardless of truck speed or bar width. Etnyre also builds a smaller, less sophisticated version, which is known as a maintenance unit. Maintenance units range in size from 600 to 1,000 gallons. Maintenance units may be truck mounted, trailer mounted, or skid mounted.